Shijiazhuang ZSLL Textile Co. Limited is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of cotton towel, bath towel, baby towel, microfiber towel, bamboo towel. The production base located in Jingzhou of Shijiazhuang, Hebei, China, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of professional production equipment. Company firmly believes that all products must meet the international quality standards. Therefore, we focus on purchasing quality materials and ensuring strict internal process control. And our professional inspectors to ensure the products delivered to customers are perfect. Our products are selling in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to overseas. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Either selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your requirements. Our company insists on the policy that customer is the supreme, prestige promised, quality guaranteed, professional service. We are looking forward to establishing long-term business relationship with worldwide customers in the near future based on mutual benefits. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us for friendly cooperation.